Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our EVS online class and today we are going to start with a new chapter. So children, I hope you all have completed your last work, activity work which I gave you last week on Saturday. Very good. And those who have not completed, please complete it as soon as possible. Okay. Now, take out your Nature Learner EVS book and turn to page 74. Here is the page number. As you can see, page number 74, chapter number 11, that is travel time. Now, in this chapter, children, first of all, today I will tell you what you will learn in this chapter. I will give you the introduction of this chapter and then today we will do our book exercise, and tomorrow again I will explain this chapter. I will read the chapter from the book and then I will explain you in details. So listen to my video very carefully children. You will learn about land transport, water transport, air transport and about the fuel. There are three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport means transport that is on land. Okay. Transport of water is water transport and transport of air is air transport. Fuel is which is used for transport. Okay. Fuel means जिससे आपकी गाड़ियाँ या जो भी ट्रांसपोर्ट है लैंड वाटर या एयर का वो कैसे चलता है. So in this chapter you will learn about these three types of transport and about the fuel. Now, we often move from one place to another for various purposes. You all know that if you want to go anywhere, you use your transport. Okay. From one place to another, for going from one place to another place, you use transport. Okay. For this, we need some vehicle. These vehicles are called means of transport. The vehicles which we use for moving from one place to another place are called means of transport. Now, in the long time ago, humans or animals pulled carts or carry goods or to travel. Now, the पुराने time में we used to go on animals, okay, or carts. There were only carts or animals who used to pull, and we used to carry our goods or we used to travel on that only. Now we have much faster means of transport. There are three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Now what are land transport? Coming to the heading of land transport. Land transport means bicycles, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses and auto rickshaws. These all are examples of land transport. Land transport जो ज़मीन पे चलने वाले. Some of these are fast moving and some are slow. इनमें से कुछ बहुत तेज चलने वाले होते हैं, कुछ slow. Okay. Some have 2 wheels, some have 4 wheels and some have more than 4 wheels. You all know that if you are traveling on a bicycle, motorcycle or scooter, they have 2 wheels. And if you are traveling on if you are traveling by a car or by a jeep, so they have 4 wheels. Okay. And if you are traveling by bus or by other big vehicles, so they have many wheels. Okay, more than 4 wheels. Now, trains are the fastest means of land transport. सबसे ज़्यादा fastest means सबसे तेज चलने वाला land transport कौन सा है? Trains. They carry millions of people from one place to another. As you all know that a train is very big and many people can sit in one train. So they travel very fast also. Now in this chapter in the heading of land transport, you will also study about metro. Metro is the latest mode of transport. It carries people to different places within the city. Now metro is only for cities. They don't metro trains never go from one city to another city, but they are for only one city. They वो सिर्फ अपनी एक सिटी के अंदर ही चलती है. दे आर लोकल ट्रेन्स. ओके. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. Now what is water transport? Ships, steamers and boats are the main means of water transport. Ships, steamers, steamer is this, as you can see in this picture, second picture, this is a steamer, and boats are the main means of water transport. These three are the examples of water transport जो water में चलते हैं. Ships are used to travel long distances through seas and oceans. Boats and steamers carry people and goods across the rivers. Ships need a good port for loading and unloading goods. Now, as you all know, ships, steamers and boats are main means of water transport. Now, ships जो होती है वो long distances में काम आती है, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस कवर करने के काम आती है. लाइक सीज एंड ओशंस. सीज एंड ओशंस यू ऑल नो दैट दे आर वेरी बिग, सो वो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे होते हैं, तो उसमें शिप्स काम आती हैं. और बोट्स एंड स्टीमर्स जो होते हैं वो लोगों को और सामान को ले जाने के लिए, रिवर्स को क्रॉस करने के लिए काम आते हैं. ओके. शिप्स नीड अ गुड पोर्ट फॉर लोडिंग एंड अनलोडिंग गुड्स. शिप्स जो है उनके लिए एक पोर्ट होता है जहाँ पे वो अपना सामान रख सकते हैं, लोड कर सकते हैं या अनलोड कर सकते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. People who want to go somewhere very very far like the moon need a special spacecraft. Now this is about air transport. Air transport, like what is air transport, children? Coming back to page number 75. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the main means of air transport. Main means हमारे air transport के क्या होते हैं? Aeroplanes and helicopters. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport and also the most expensive. एरोप्लेन्स में अगर हमें जाना है तो वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी होते हैं और सबसे तेज़ मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है. ट्रेन वॉज द फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके, वो लैंड का फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट ट्रेन है. और सबके बीच में अगर देखा जाए तो एरोप्लेन इज़ द फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके. Helicopters are not very popular because they cannot carry many people, but they are very useful in providing relief to people affected by floods and cyclones. Now children, you must have seen on your televisions, in news also, that the people who are affected by floods or cyclones, जो आंधी तूफान या बाढ़ से अफेक्ट करते हैं जो एरियाज, जो लोग, वहाँ के लोगों को रिलीफ पहुँचाने के लिए हेलीकॉप्टर्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. हेलीकॉप्टर्स इन्हीं चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ होते हैं या फिर आर्मी में यूज़ होते हैं, बिकॉज उनको हम लोगों को कैरी करने के लिए नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, बिकॉज उसके अंदर इतना स्पेस नहीं होता कि बहुत सारे लोग उसमें बैठ सकें. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. People who want to go somewhere very very far like the moon need a special spacecraft. Now if you want to go very very far like on the moon, okay, astronauts use a spacecraft. Astronauts go on the moon, they use spacecraft. They are special spacecraft. Animals as means of transport. Now in this chapter you will also learn animals as means of transport. हम कुछ animals को भी means of transport के लिए use करते हैं. Many animals help to carry people and goods from one place to another. In deserts, camel are used for transport. Now, as you all know, desert is the area where there is only sand. सिर्फ वहाँ पे मिट्टी होती है और कुछ नहीं, तो वहाँ पे normal animals नहीं रह सकते. So camel is the ship of the desert. You all know camel is called the ship of the desert because only camel can survive in the desert. Camel is the only animal which can survive in the desert. Okay, so it is used as the means of transport also. It carries people from one place to other place also. So the whole work is done by camel. Now elephants are used to carry logs in thick forest. जो thick forest, thick जंगल होते हैं, घने जंगल, वहाँ से logs are what? पेड़ के तने, trunks, उनको कैरी करने के लिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़े और बहुत भारी होते हैं, तो उनको कैरी करने के लिए बहुत बड़ा एनिमल भी चाहिए. सो एलिफेंट्स आर वन ऑफ देम. सो एलिफेंट्स आर यूज्ड टू कैरी लॉग्स इन द थिक फॉरेस्ट. Mules and ponies are also used in hilly areas to carry people and loads. अब hilly areas में elephants cannot go, camels cannot go. Okay, so mules and ponies, they are from the family of horse. Mules and ponies are from the family of horse and donkeys, so they are used to carry people and loads also. हम उसको people को इधर से उधर कैरी करने के लिए और सामान को कैरी करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Now what are fuel? Cars, scooters, buses and aeroplanes, all vehicles run on fuels like petrol, diesel or CNG. You all know, children, in whatever vehicle you travel, they need some kind of fuel like petrol, diesel or CNG. You must have seen in your house also that if you are having a car, your parents or your father, whenever he drives a car, so he goes to the petrol pump and he asks for petrol or diesel, because your car or scooters are running on fuels only. Okay, and CNG is in today's time, CNG is also used for running the vehicles. Okay, as we get energy from food to work and play, you all know that in the food chapter I told you that for work and play we need food. So in the same way vehicles also need energy from the fuels. Otherwise अगर उनमें हम fuel नहीं डालेंगे तो आपकी vehicle नहीं चलेगी. But fuels come from the earth and the earth has limited fuel. हमें ये भी अपने माइंड में रखना पड़ेगा कि हमें फ्यूल ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं करना है, क्योंकि वो अर्थ से मिलता है और अर्थ में एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट में, लिमिटेड स्टॉक में फ्यूल रह गया है. इट मे गेट ओवर वेरी सून इफ वी वेस्ट इट. अगर हम उसको वेस्ट करेंगे तो वो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो सकता है. वी मस्ट सेव फ्यूल. ओके, हमें फ्यूल को बचाना है. सो देर आर सम रिकैप पॉइंट्स चिल्ड्रन. देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट: लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. Trains are the fastest means of land transport and aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Now, I hope you all have understood this introduction of the chapter. Now coming to page number 77, our exercise. We will do our book exercise. So first exercise is tick the correct answer. Now in this sentence is given, a question is written and there are 3 options given. You have to select one option which is the correct and you have to tick on it. Okay, you have to put a tick on that particular answer. So the first question is, which city has metro system? Shimla, Mathura or Delhi? Shimla is a hilly area, trains cannot run there. Mathura is not a metro city. Delhi, yes, Delhi is a metro city. So the correct answer is Delhi. We will put a tick in front of Delhi. Now the second question is, which one travels on water? Boat, scooter, bicycle. Water transport क्या है? Boat, scooter या bicycle? As you all know, scooter is a land transport, bicycle is also a land transport. So the water transport is boat. So we will put a tick in front of boat. Boat is the correct answer. Now the third sentence, which one moves in air? Air में उड़ने वाला कौन सा vehicle है? Car, ship, aeroplane. Car is a land transport, ship is a water transport, aeroplane is air transport. So aeroplane is the correct answer. So we will put a tick in front of aeroplane. Now coming to the second question, choose the correct words. Now in this, a sentence is written with 2 options. You have to circle the correct option. Okay, हमें correct option को circle करना है. We need vehicles for running or traveling. हमें vehicles भागने के लिए चाहिए होता है या travel करने के लिए. So the correct answer is traveling. So we will circle the word traveling. Second is metro carries people within the city or outside the city. मेट्रो हमारी सिटीज में चलती है या सिटी के बाहर चलती है? इट इज अ It runs within the city. So metro carries people within the city is the correct answer. We will circle the word within the city. Coming to the third, ships need a good port or airport for loading and unloading goods. Ships को port या airport चाहिए होता है load या unload करने के लिए goods. So the correct answer is port. Ships need a good port. Airport is for aeroplanes. Aeroplanes are the most expensive or cheapest means of transport. The correct answer is aeroplanes are the most expensive. Most expensive means महंगे transport है means of transport. People need a spacecraft or train to go to the moon. अब moon पे जाने के लिए we need a train or a spacecraft. Correct answer is spacecraft. So we will circle the word spacecraft. Now coming to the third exercise, the last exercise. Write two means of transport for each of the following. Now there are three transport given, and you have to give two examples of each. Okay, land transport. So what are land transport, children? I explained you. Land transport are those vehicles which रन ऑन लैंड. जो जमीन पे चलने वाले व्हीकल्स हैं उनको हम लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट कहते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द टू एग्जांपल्स फॉर लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट? यू कैन राइट कार, CAR, कार, एंड सेकेंड you can write scooter, SCOOTER, scooter. Okay, now the second is water transport. So water transport are those vehicles which run on water. Okay, so जो पानी पे चलते हैं उनको हम water transport कहते हैं. So two examples for water transport is you can write ships, 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 and second you can write boat, BOAT, boat. Okay, and last the third part is air transport. So for air transport you can write जो एयर में चलते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट एरोप्लेन, AEROPLANE, एरोप्लेन. ओके, एंड सेकेंड यू कैन राइट हेलीकॉप्टर, HELICOPTER, helicopter. Is that clear, children? So these are the three exercises, book exercises which you have to complete for today. Okay, and with this video I will be giving you an assignment, and that assignment will be the same of this book. I will click a picture of this book and then I will paste it on the assignment and you will write from there. Okay, you can write from there. So children, please make sure that you complete your work on time and get it corrected by me. Your correction timings are from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and you can come any day from Monday to Saturday. Okay, now Saturday lockdown is over, so you can come on Saturdays also. Okay, so till my next video, children, please make sure that you complete your book exercises, and in my next video I will read the chapter from the book and I will explain you in details, and then we will start doing our notebook exercises also. Okay, till then children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.